Hi, my name is Dr. Jeffrey Riopelle from Riopelle Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center in San Ramon. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about Thermage for the body. Many people have unwanted loose skin in many places, possibly in the arms, in the abdomen, the tummy, the legs. And the treatment for this loose skin in the past has been limited to surgical options, basically lifting surgically, which is a fairly big procedure and leaves a scar. Well, Thermage has developed Thermage for the body, and we've done hundreds and hundreds of cases in our office with the Thermage unit. This is the Thermage, and this tip is the Thermage for the body. And as you can see, it's a fairly good sized tip, so we can fairly rapidly work our way around the body part that is desired to contract. So let's take, for example, the abdomen. So many women after pregnancy have loose skin that they want to contract down or tighten. Often people have lost weight and as a result their skin has become loose. Or sometimes patients have had liposuction procedures and this has left loose skin behind. Well, we can quite effectively now tighten that skin in an office procedure without any anesthesia using Thermage. Thermage is radio wave, and what radio wave does is it heats the deep collagen. This helps the collagen contract. And once the collagen contracts, it stimulates the growth of the collagen. As the collagen grows, it grows in sort of a spiral formation, and this tightens the skin and lifts. So if someone has loose skin and we want to tighten it up, we can do the Thermage procedure, and then immediately after the treatment, we'll see some effectiveness in terms of results. But over time, over about a 6-month period, we'll see greater and greater contraction. So that's how the Thermage unit works. And as I say, Thermage is very effective at contracting skin, and it can be done in the office without any anesthesia. It's a fairly painless procedure. Now, Thermage at one time was quite painful, but Thermage has developed this new tip, which, as I say, treats a fairly big area at one time, and basically it feels like a heating pad, maybe a little stronger, coming on and heating the deep collagen. Safety records are very good. There is always a small risk of burning whenever we use heat energy in any form, such as laser or radio wave. But with Thermage, we've had very good success with the Thermage unit for heating without side effects. So we'd like to encourage you to come into our office to take a look at this and talk this over with us. Many people have had this, as I say, and what happens is they feel much better about themselves. You know, they can go to the beach, they can have their abdomen exposed, they can have their legs exposed, they can have their arms exposed, and people don't look at them and think, well, you know, there's a lot of loose skin on that particular person. So it really helps the self-confidence and self-esteem in many cases. It also can be used very effectively for cellulite. So cellulite can be tightened and contracted, and the skin can be made much better. And we do it in many cases on the legs for cellulite. Also, it's effective at contouring fat. So if there's a little extra fat around the belly or the sides, that fat can actually be contracted and contoured some using Thermage. So we encourage you to come in and talk to us about Thermage and go over the possibilities if you do have loose skin. Thank you very much.